Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Ishara, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my Eton Mess recipe. So you're only going to need really few ingredients for this, and you probably already have them in your fridge. So let me show you the ingredients. So here I've got my beautiful meringues which I made yesterday and refrigerated overnight. I made 6 giant meringues, however I could only save these 2 for this recipe. And I've got these beautiful strawberries that I picked up from the store this morning, and I've got these frozen raspberries which I'm going to use to make the syrup out of, and I've got this double cream here, and I've got my hand mixer ready. I also got my salt and sugar ready over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a saucepan and put it on slow medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and put all my frozen raspberries in here, and I'm also going to go ahead and put all my sugar and a pinch of salt into it. I feel like whenever I'm making anything sweet, it's good to add a pinch of salt. It kind of balances the taste out. So I already got my spatula ready here. I'm just going to keep an eye on this and keep stirring. I will show you how it looks like when it's ready. So my raspberry syrup has been cooking here for 10 minutes now, and I kept stirring it just to prevent all that sugar burn the bottom. I didn't want that, and nobody wants that. So let me show you how it looks like. Come closer. So you could see something looks like this. So this is the texture that you want, and you can see all these beautiful raspberry seeds there. I'm not gonna throw that away. I'm gonna use it because I want it to look like it's homemade and kind of adds that beautiful look to it. So next I'm going to transfer my raspberry syrup into a separate bowl and let that cool down completely. Like so. So in the meantime, my raspberry sauce is cooling down. I'm going to go ahead and get the cream ready. So for this, it doesn't take that much time. It's going to be ready in no time. Okay, you see, so if you can see, it was ready in no time. You just have to be really careful, so otherwise the milk is going to get separated from the cream. So you just gotta start beating it when it looks somewhat like this. They're all together, but it's not separated, and you can do this with the whisk as well. It's very easy. But I purely did it because it's easier for the video. So next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and smash all our meringues. So very, very important at this point that you have some fun. So I'm going to go ahead and take a slightly bigger bowl like so, and put my meringues here. And I am going to actually separate all these top parts, that glossy part, and let's just keep that aside just for now. Like so. Just this will do. It's purely for garnishing. And the rest, of course. But can you see how marshmallowy inside is? It's really gorgeous. And still like ooey gooey looking. this is what is going to make your dessert really special, because this is going to go ahead and give some texture to that cream that you made. So could you hear the sound? It's amazing, and the smell of vanilla, and it's like a therapy really doing this by itself. It's amazing. So I'm only going to make enough for 2 people, depending on how many people you have and how much they can take in. Obviously you can go ahead and add more. These are obviously 2 giant meringues, as you saw. There you go. Now you can look at it. This is the type of mess that you're looking for. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove all these leaves from the strawberries, and I'm only going to leave a couple of them probably for the garnishing. So I will not remove, for example, this beautiful strawberry. I will not remove the green part after that. I'm going to leave it for the garnishing. And I'm also going to go ahead and cut them into tiny pieces like so, but you can cut the way you prefer and the size that you prefer. You can even do some styles with this. I've seen people just chopping it like so as well, and you simply do a design like this. You can also cut it really simply, just like so, or you can go ahead and do something like this, which is very simple as well. So simple like this, just for the garnishing at this stage. Now all our preparation for this beautiful recipe is ready. Let's go ahead and assemble everything. Now to this bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add all my cream, like so, and give it a good stir, like so. Now you can add as much as or as little as cream here as you want, and I like to not to like crush it too much. I like to leave little chunky pieces here so it looks like a proper mess. And to this I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my raspberry syrup, like so, and to that I'm gonna add my strawberries as well, like so, and give it a good stir, like so. And that is it, guys. So there you have it. I'm just gonna go ahead and plate this. So at this stage I'm just gonna go ahead and serve it, and so it's really up to you. I'm gonna use this serving plate today, and it's just us two, really, me and my husband. So I'm going to leave our favorite fruits on top as well, and I would like to mix it with a little bit of kiwi as well, and you know, just for the appearance, and I'll show you once it's done. That is it. We are done. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the final product, guys. If you can see, I just decorated it with some of our favorite fruits. I added kiwi basically, and here you can see the beautiful Eton Mess. It holds it's together as well. It doesn't fall apart or anything, and look at the texture. It's just so beautiful. It's not too sweet. It's tangy from the raspberry sauce and that fresh strawberry. It's amazing, juicy, and the texture of the meringues like really soft. It's like a marshmallow dipped in like heaven sauce. You have to try it. You have to try it and let me know. Comment below and go to my website. You can find all my recipes there, and see you next time. Thank you.